Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi. I have an MPhil in mathematics and extensive teaching experience. Welcome to my channel Reckon. If you want to take an exam for the railways, SSC, banks, insurance, or if you want to write an exam for further studies, one of the most important subject is mathematics. So brush up on your maths skill because I am going to teach you. I have prepared a lesson on simple interest today. Let's start simple interest formulas and terms. First one is principal. Money borrowed or lent out for a certain period, known as principal. Interest, additional or extra money paid for using others' money. Third one, simple interest. Method of calculating the interest amount for some principal amount of money called simple amount. Now let principal principal equal to P, rate equal to R% per annum, time equal to T years. Then SI, formula of SI equal to PRT upon 100. So this is the formula of SI. From this formula we can find P equal to SI into 100 upon RT, R equal to SI into 100 upon PT, and T equal to SI into 100 upon PR. So these are the formulas. Now example number first. Find the simple interest on rupees 8,100 at 15.5% per annum for 8 months. So here P equal to rupees 8,100, rate of interest equal to 15.5% per annum, or this is equal to 31 upon 2% per annum, time equal to 8 months, and we need time in years. So 8 upon 12, in a year there are 12 months, so 8 months equal to 8 by 12 year, and this is equal to 2 by 3 year. Now SI, we know that SI equal to PRT upon 100. So this is equal to, substitute all the values, 8100 into 31 upon 2 into 2 by 3 upon 100. So zeros, now 2 से 2 cancel, then we have 3 2 into 7. Now 27 into 31, and this is equal to 837. So hence simple interest equal to rupees 837. This is our answer. Next one, find the simple interest on rupees 14,600 at 12.5% per annum for a period from 22 March 2020 to 15 July 2020. Now again P equal to rupees 14,600, R equal to 12.5% per annum, and this is equal to 25 upon 2% per annum, and टाइम, यहाँ पे हमें ध्यान दीजिएगा, यहाँ पे हमें टाइम डेज में दिया हुआ है, मतलब महीने भी पूरे कंप्लीट नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट 22 फ्रॉम 22 मार्च में कितने डेज होते हैं? 31 डेज. सो 22 के बाद कितने डेज बचेंगे? 9. सो 9 प्लस अप्रैल में 30, मई में 31, जून में अगेन 30 एंड जुलाई 15। वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जब भी कभी हम डेज कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो जिस डेट पे डिपॉजिट कराते हैं उस डेट को नहीं लेते। इट मीन्स 22 को हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, 23 से कंसिडर करेंगे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। तो 23 से 31 तक 9 डेज, देन अप्रैल के 30 डेज, देन मई 31, जून 30 एंड जुलाई 15 days. So total days equal to 115 days. And in a year we have 365 days. So this is equal to 115 upon 365 year. And this is equal to 23 upon 73. 23 upon 73 year. So simple interest equal to rupees PTR, P equal to 14,600 into R 25 upon 2 into T 23 upon 73 upon 100. So 100 से 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड 2 से ये कैंसिल होगा 73, 73 से 73. नाउ वी हैव रुपीज़ 25 इंटू 23 इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 25 इंटू 23 इक्वल टू 575. दिस इज़ आवर आंसर. क्लियर? समझ में आ गया? अगर मंथ्स हैं तो उसको कैसे ईयर में चेंज करेंगे एंड डेज हैं तो कैसे इसको चेंज करेंगे. नाउ थर्ड वन, सुधीर डिपॉजिटेड रुपीज़ 29,400 फॉर 6 years at a simple interest. He got rupees 4,200 as interest. Find the rate of interest. Now in this question we have principal equal to rupees 29,400, time equal to 6 years, and simple interest equal to rupees 4,200, and we want to find R. Let R equal to R per annum. So we have SI. We know that SI equal to PRT upon 100. So this implies R equal to SI into 100 upon PT. Now substitute all the values. We get SI equal to 4200 into 100 upon P 29400 into time equal to 6. Now 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 6 से ये कैंसिल होगा 7 times, एंड 7 से 7 times एंड 7 से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा 7 4 से 28 एंड 7 2 42. नाउ अगेन 2 से कैंसिल करेंगे 21 एंड 50. सो वी हैव 50 upon 21 and 50 upon 21 equal to 2 whole 8 by 21% per annum. So this is our answer. Rate of interest is equal to 2 whole 8 upon 21% per annum. Now example number 4. The simple interest on a sum of 6 months for a 6 month at 5% per annum is rupees 65.50. What is the value of sum? So here rate of interest equal to 5% per annum, time T equal to 6 months, and this is equal to 6 by 12 years or 1 by 2 year and simple interest equal to rupees 65.50. Now we want to find P. So we know that SI equal to PTR upon 100. So this implies P equal to SI into 100 upon TR. So SI equal to, substitute all the values, SI equal to 65.50 into 100, T equal to 1 by 2. So 1 into 2 ऊपर आ जाएगा and R equal to 5. So this is 5 से ये cancel हो जाएगा. 53.10 equal to 1310 into 2 equal to 0262. So answer P equal to rupees 2620. इस तरह से हम इसका प्रिंसिपल. Now example number 5th. A sum of rupees 800 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years at the simple interest. If the interest rate is increased by 3%, what will be new amount? So in this example, P equal to rupees 800 time equal to 3 years. Time equal to 3 years. Now and amount equal to rupees 920, and we know that amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So our simple interest equal to amount minus principal. This is equal to rupees 920 minus 800. 920 minus 800. So we have simple interest equal to rupees 120. Now we find rate. In this case we want to find rate. So formula of rate, R equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Substitute all the values. Simple interest 120 into 100 upon 800 into 3. 0 से 0 cancel. Now 3 से 40 and 5. So rate equal to 5% per annum. This is our rate. In this question given, if the interest rate is increased by 3%, what will be the new amount? So new rate, new R equal to 5 plus 3% per annum equal to 8% per annum, and we have P equal to rupees 800. P equal to rupees 800 and time equal to 3 years. So new simple interest equal to rupees P RT. P equal to 800 into R 8, T equal to 3 upon 100, and ये cancel हो जाएगा 0 से 0, and we have this is equal to rupees 192. So this is simple interest. Therefore new amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So principal is 800 rupees and new simple interest equal to 192. So new amount equal to rupees 992. This is our answer. Now example number 6. Rahul borrowed some money at the rate of 6% per annum for first 2 years, at the rate of 9% per annum for the next 3 years, and the rate and at the rate of 14% per annum for the last 4 years. If he paid the total interest of rupees 19,915 at the end of 9 years, how much money did he borrowed? So let Rahul borrowed equal to rupees X, and this is principal also. So then we can write simple interest for first 2 years, X into rate of interest 6 into time period 2 years upon 100. Next 3 years, X into rate of interest 9 into time 3 years upon 100 plus X into rate of interest 14% and last 4 years upon 100, and this is equal to 19,950. This implies 12x upon 100 plus 27x upon 100 plus 56x upon 100 equal to 19950, and this implies this is equal to 95x upon 100 equal to 19950, or x equal to 19950 into 100 upon 95 implies x equal to 210,000 means 21,000. So x is 21,000. Hence Rahul borrowed equal to rupees 21,000. Example number 7. The simple interest on an amount of rupees 2,500 at the end of 6 years is rupees 1,875. What will be the simple interest on an amount of rupees 6,875 at the same rate for the same period? Now in this case, first initially P equal to rupees 2,500 and time period is 6 years, and simple interest equal to rupees 1,875. So we find rate of interest. So R equal to rate of interest, R equal to simple interest into 100 upon principal into time. Substitute all the values, we get 1875 into 100 upon 2,500 into 6%, and this is equal to 12.5%. So we get a rate of interest. Now in second case, principal equal to rupees 6,875, time period 6 years, and rate of interest 12.5%. Now in this case, therefore simple interest equal to PRT upon 100, P 6875 into R 25 upon 2, 12.5 को अगर हम करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास 25 upon 2 into time 6 years upon 100, and this is equal to rupees 5156.25. सो एक क्वेश्चन में दो चीज़ें हैं, पहले रेट कैलकुलेट करना है, देन उस रेट से हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8, एट वॉट रेट of simple interest a certain sum will be double in 15 years. So let principal equal to P, then simple interest also equal to P, तभी डबल होगा, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट P होगा तो, and T equal to 15 years. Therefore R, we know that R equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Substitute all the values, P into 100 upon P into 15. P से P cancel, then we have 100 upon 15%, and this is equal to 6 whole 2 by 3%. This is our answer. Example number 4. A sum at a simple interest of 8% per annum becomes 7 by 5 of itself in how many years? Let principal equal to rupees x, then amount equal to 7 upon amount equal to rupees 7 by 5 x. We know that simple interest equal to amount minus principal. So this is equal to rupees 7 by 5x minus x equal to rupees 2 by 5x. And rate of interest R is given 8% per annum. And we know that time equal to simple interest into 100 upon principal into rate. So substitute all the values, we get 2 by 5x into 100 upon x into 8. X cancel, then 2 4 2 4 equal to 8, so ये cancel हो जाएगा, and 4 से 100 cancel करेंगे 25, and 25 को 5 से 5 times, so this is equal to 5. Hence time equal to 5 years. Now example number 10. The simple interest on a sum of money is 4 by 9 of the principal. Find the rate of percent and time if both are numerically equal. जब भी आप कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, सबसे पहले उसको केयरफुली रीड करिए और जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट आप वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं उसको अंडरलाइन करते जाइए. Now here let principal equal to rupees x and simple interest equal to rupees 4 by 9x. Again let rate of interest equal to R% per annum and time equal to R years. Because here given rate and time both are numerically equal, so हमने दोनों को ही R ले लिया है. Now we know that simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. Substitute all the values, we get 4 upon 9x equal to x into R upon 100. X cancel, this implies 4 into 100 upon 9 equal to R square. This implies R square equal to 400 upon 9, implies R equal to 20 upon 3 or R equal to 6 whole 2 by 3. Hence, rate equal to 6 whole 2 by 3% and time equal to 6 whole 2 by 3 years or 6 years and 8 months. 8 months कैसे कैलकुलेट किया, ये देखिए 2 by 3 ईयर गिवन है, सो इसको मंथ में चेंज करना है तो 2/3 इंटू एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं 12, तो 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इतने मंथ्स हो जाएंगे एंड दिस इज 4, तो 2 इंटू 4 इक्वल टू 8, सो 8 मंथ्स। तो इस तरह से हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं 8 मंथ। नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 11th। The simple interest on a sum is 5/9 of the principal in 25 years. What is the rate of interest per annum? Let principal equal to rupees x, then simple interest equal to rupees 5/9x. Time given है 25 years. So R equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Substitute all the values, we get 5/9x into 100 upon x into 25. X cancel, 5 5s are 25, then 20. This is equal to 20/9 and 20/9 equal to 2 whole 2/9. Hence, rate of interest equal to 2 whole 2/9% per annum. Twelfth one. A certain sum of money become double of itself in 5 years at a rate of simple interest. In how many years it will become 16 times of itself at the same rate of simple interest? So ये दो बार में दो क्वेश्चन है, पहले फर्स्ट हम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे, देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट करेंगे इसका। लेट प्रिंसिपल इक्वल टू रुपीज़ x and simple interest equal to also rupees x, क्योंकि मनी डबल हो रहा है, टाइम इज गिवन 5 years. So R equal to simple interest into 100 upon principal into time, cancel हो जाएगा and this gives 20. So rate of interest equal to 20% per annum. Rate of interest equal to 20% per annum. Now again, amount. Now in next part of this question, amount equal to 16x and our principal is x. Principal is x. So therefore SI equal to 16, SI equal to rupees 16x minus x equal to 15x and rate of interest equal to 20% per annum. टाइम हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, सो टाइम इक्वल टू SI is 15x into 100 upon principal into rate. So x cancel, 0 से 0 cancel and ये cancel हो जाएगा 5. So T equal to 75. Hence time equal to 75 years. Now question number 13th. If the annual rate of simple interest increase from 10% to 12.5%, a man's yearly income increase by 1,250. Find out the principal amount. Now in this question, let principal equal to rupees x. Now according to question, first x into 12.5 रेट है, सो वी हैव, इसको हम चेंज करेंगे तो 25/2 इंटू टाइम 1 ईयर अपॉन 100 माइनस x इंटू 10% इंटू 1 ईयर अपॉन 100। तो दोनों सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का डिफरेंस कितना है? 1250। एंड this gives 25x minus 20x upon 200 equal to 1250. This implies 5x upon 200 equal to 1250. Implies x equal to 1250 into 200 upon 5 से कैंसिल करेंगे, then this is 40. This implies x equal to 50,000. So hence principal equal to rupees 50,000. This is our answer. Now question number 14th. The simple interest on a certain sum of money for 2.5 years at 12% per annum is 40 less than the simple interest of the sum for 3.5 years at 10% per annum. Find the sum. Let principal equal to rupees x. So फर्स्ट SI, या और हम कह सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, x इंटू सम 3.5 साल के लिए 10% पर annum से, तो x इंटू 10 अपॉन 100 इंटू 3.5 ईयर्स को हम लिख सकते हैं 7/2 माइनस x इंटू 12% per annum into 100 into 2.5 year 5/2. This is equal to 40. So we get 70x upon 200 minus 60x upon 200 equal to 40. This implies 10x upon 200 equal to 40. 0 0 cancel. This implies x equal to 40 into 20 implies x equal to 800. Hence the sum or principal, the sum equal to rupees 800. Now in this part I solved some examples. I have solved some examples. In next part कुछ और क्वेश्चंस मैं दूंगी और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे हम, और आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I will be uploading next video soon. If you have any doubts related to this topic, please comment below. I will try to respond to each one of your questions. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.